We're going to cook you with a Daussats. My name is Sylvan. I'm Demi.
And my name's Tony. Welcome to Cooking with the Daussats.
Yeah.
What are we going to be making today?
Cookies.
But Demi's allergic to eggs, so we have to make sure what is not in our cookies.
But I have eggs.
No eggs!
This is our
So we're going to preheat our oven. 350.
3 cups flour.
3 cups of flour.
Yeah. So I'm going to start this with that. I'm going to do this.
Not yet.
Oh.
1.
2.
Okay, now what do we do?
Soft my hand. Touch him soft. Monkey. I do the baking batter, okay? And I do that. Yeah. No, I'm not going to use that. I whisk it.
Yeah, whisk it all. Good whisking.
No, that one.
Now,
I need 2 sticks of butter.
should they be soft?
Should it be soft?
Should they be?
Yeah.
I think you're right.
1 cup of white sugar curd. Put it together first.
We need to find our blender.
This is my blender. That's it. Here. Down the blender. Papa. Good job, Demi.
Wow, good job.
Good job, Daddy. Good job, Daddy.
Whoa, it's going crazy!
Now vanilla.
Okay, vanilla and milk. We need 1 teaspoon. Who has the teaspoon?
Me.
Let me see. Whoa. Ah!
This is all vanilla. Okay, be careful. Monkey.
Ooh.
Now I want some more.
You think it's gonna be good?
Yeah. You should take the wheel.
Yes. Jesus, take the wheel. Hopefully this works. The good news is, this is everybody's first time making cookies with no egg. Okay. The directions say the dough will at first look very crumbly and dry. And it does. In fact, it looks so crumbly and dry, I hope it's right.
Now you want it in plastic.
Yeah, need to wrap it in plastic and let it set in the refrigerator for 1 hour.
Keep this in plastic.
You're the baker. Are you the assistant baker?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll lay it right there and we'll cross our fingers.
Okay. What's your hand, Daddy? Round dough.
Mound of dough. Okay.
I need to wrap it.
What are we got ourselves into?
Let's push it away for 1 hour.
Okay.
Now what? Now what? But why are we going to stir? Making a workstation is clean.
Yeah, really clean. That's important.
Okay, now. Okay, Matt. This is the refrigerator.
Okay.
Got flour and calendar. It's going to be funny. Okay, dough. Smash!
Uh-oh.
What's that? Uh-oh.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Hopefully this works.
It's looking a little crumbly, but we'll cut some snowflakes.
Yummy turn.
Look we'll just go ahead and put some crumbles on there. And we're making a holiday crumble.
Yeah, holiday crumble. Yeah, holiday crumble.
Yeah, look. It's really coming together. Smush it down. Okay.
Good job, Demi. You having fun?
Yeah, like right there. Press. Oh.
Now bake for 2 minutes.
Hey Google, how much time is left on the timer?
There's 2 minutes and 39 seconds left.
Almost done!
You guys dying? Yeah.
Some of the key principles of cooking together as a family is patience,
Patience.
is sharing,
Sharing.
and is having so much fun.
And so much fun.
You think so?
Yeah. Yeah, my God. It's ready. First, ice cream.
Yeah, really get creative.
It's really good. Now sprinkles. No, eat it. Don't eat it. Eat it.
These really turned out pretty good.
Delicious. Maybe everybody. See you next time.
See you next time, everybody.